Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a common problem that many of us have encountered at some point. Picture this. You've been working on an important project all day, and suddenly, your computer shuts down unexpectedly. The problem? Yep, you guessed it, a sudden power outage. It can be frustrating to lose all your progress due to unforeseen circumstances like this one. Now, let's talk about the solution to this pesky problem. The key here is to enable the auto-save feature in your favorite software programs. By doing this, you ensure that your work is automatically saved at regular intervals, minimizing the risk of losing everything in case of a sudden power loss. Remember, prevention is key when it comes to avoiding data loss. So, take a few seconds to set up auto-save, and you'll thank yourself later. In addition to enabling auto-save, another solution to consider is investing in an uninterruptible power supply, UPS, for your computer. The UPS acts as a backup power source during outages, giving you enough time to save your work and safely shut down your system. This extra layer of protection not only prevents data loss, but also helps prolong the life of your hardware. It's a worthwhile investment for anyone who relies on their computer for work or personal projects. In summary, dealing with unexpected power outages can be a real headache, especially when you lose valuable work. By enabling the auto-save feature in your software and considering a UPS for your computer, you can prevent data loss and ensure a smoother workflow. Remember, a little preparation goes a long way in safeguarding your work. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe, like the video, and comment below with your thoughts or your favorite power outage story. Until next time, stay powered up and productive.